In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view a list of your employees' expired credentials. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Credentials. Go to your new top menu bar and select Reports. Choose Expired Credentials from the drop-down menu. You should arrive at a chart that looks like this. Your chart will show you all of your current expired credentials. You can see the employee's name, which credential has expired, what that credential's code is, when the credential was completed, when it was started, and when it ended or expired. If I want to change a credential status, I can click on the employee name and I can edit any of the information associated with that credential. Maybe this credential doesn't actually expire now, but at the end of the month. So I could click on the calendar icon, change the end date to the end of the month, and choose Save. Now that credential has been removed from this report because it hasn't actually expired yet. That's how you can view and edit your expired credentials. The other thing you can do is you can export this chart to Excel. If I click Export to Excel, I can now select the folder that I want to save this Excel spreadsheet to and change the file name. If you changed your mind and you don't want to export this information, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that spreadsheet has been exported. To view the information, click on that document. And now I can see this information in a spreadsheet and I can do anything I want with it. To return to TeamWork 5, exit out of your document. That's how you can view your expired credentials, edit those credentials, and export this information. Check out the next video to learn how to view a report of your expiring credentials.